Hi, in this video, we'll calculate the sale price after discount. Sometimes in interviews, they can ask us, uh, what is the total price after discount, or calculate the discounted price based on the discount percentage. So all these means the same thing. You're calculating the final price after the discount. Now we have a sample data set here with product name, sale price, and discount percentage, and we want to know the final price or the sale price after discount. Now, we are having discount in two columns. One is formatted in percentage, the other one is just given as a value. Now, the cells which have formatted as a percentage, we can directly include the cell with 10%, and we can do this formula is equal to sale price into multiplied into 1 minus discount percentage. So this formula here we'll use directly in this cell is equal to say so multiply with the sale price, taking the reference cell, and then within the brackets, put 1 minus the discount price. Sorry, the discount price is 15%, and then press enter. So the discounted price or the sale price after discount is 46,750, and let's copy down the formula by dragging the left mouse button. Now we have got the same, we have got all the total price or the final price after discount. Now, sometimes you don't format the cells and you just give the discount value. Now, in that case, you'll do the formula by dividing it, the same formula, but you'll be doing the discount divided by 100. So for this is equal to sale price multiplied by 1 minus and the discount value divided by 100. And press enter. So this is how these the both the formulas work. So keep in mind whether the cell has been formatted or not. If the cell has been formatted, you can directly take the discount percentage. Otherwise, you have to divide the discount by 100. Now, this is one method of calculating the discount price or the sale price after discount. But we can use another method where you can calculate the sale price using subtraction formula. So we're using the same data set here, and we will see how using this subtraction formula it is done. So the formula here we used is sale price after discount is equal to sale price minus sale price into discount percent. So again, we'll see, take this formula here and we'll do it. Sale price is, okay, for laptop it is C27 reference cell, and minus it with again the sale price multiplied by discount percent, and close the parenthesis. Then you get the same answer. And here, since you have done the formatting, so you're directly taking it. And like what we have done in the previous method, we can just apply the same formula, sale price minus, okay, sorry, let's take the reference cell, minus. Then again, take the sale price within the brackets, and then, okay, and multiply it with discount value divided by 100. Close the parenthesis and enter. So this is the same, we are getting the same result in both the ways. So just let's copy down the formula. And here also let's copy down the formula. So yeah, the one thing that you have to remember is whether cell has been formatted or it is into percentage, or if it is not formatted, you have to divide it by 100. Now, how to calculate the discount amount? How much was the discount amount given? So for that, you will use this formula where sale price into discount. You will multiply the sale price into discount percentage to calculate the discount amount. So here we'll do it is equal to sale price into discount percentage. So discount percentage is 15%. So we'll take this reference cell D27 and then press enter. So this was a amount, 8,250 was a discount amount. So in similar way, you can multiply the sale price with the discount percent to get the discount amount, and just copy down the formula. So these are the two methods where you can calculate the sale price after discount, and also you can calculate the discount amount using these two formulas. If you have any doubts, please put it in the comment section and keep improving every day by practicing Excel. And thank you for watching.